Dropbox is one of the most popular online storage service out there. Despite the fact that it only offers 2 GB of storage in its free plan, still it is very popular. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how you can install this Dropbox in your Linux distribution. And it doesn't matter which one you are using, this guide is for all of them. So first of all, you want to head on to this website. Here you have to download the .dev file or the .rpm file according to your distribution. So if you are using Ubuntu or any of its derivative, then you can download the 64-bit or 32-bit version of a .dev file. And if you are using Fedora, CentOS, Manjaro or any distribution that uses .rpm package file, then you can simply download the .rpm file from here as per your architecture. This is Ubuntu and it uses 64-bit in my system, so that is why I'm going to download the 64-bit version of this application installer. So it's just an installer file. You can simply download it. Then I'm just going to open the folder where I have downloaded this file. So here you can simply double click on it and it will open up in the software center, and there you can simply click on the install button and the installation will start. So here is the software center and you can see I'm getting this install button here. I can simply click on it and it will install the application in the system. However, you can always use the command line to install the .dev files, and to do that you just have to execute a simple command, that is sudo apt install then / then Dropbox, and hit enter. This will ask for the password and this will install the application in the system. So it has installed the application installer in the system. Now you can simply execute the Dropbox from here, or you can simply close this terminal, close this window as well. Just search in the menu for a Dropbox and you should see this Dropbox icon here. Click on it and this will show this message here. This is saying like, in order to use the Dropbox you have to download a proprietary daemon. So you have no other choice, so you have to click OK here. So this will download application. So this will download the application in your system and it will set it up the daemon so that you can use the Dropbox in your system. So it should not take much time. So it has done downloading. Now it's unpacking it. And I think everything is done now. Now you have to authorize to an account so that you can sync your files between cloud and your system. So for that you have to now log in. This will automatically open your web browser for the login, or you can simply click on this icon and set up your account here. So I am going to log in my account here. Now you should see this confirmation window here that your computer was successfully linked to your account, and now just click on continue and this should do the work. Now you will see this icon here, this tick mark, that means it is connected, and here you get all the preferences and related settings. Here you can simply go to the preferences and set up your Dropbox here basically. So you can choose your language here and some information about your account, the bandwidth and some other stuff here. So now to enable the synchronization, just click on apply and click OK, and this should create a folder in your directory, in your home directory basically. So here is the Dropbox folder and the files are completely synchronized here, as you can see. Now you can synchronize a particular folder as well. So it is currently synchronizing the whole account, but you can select a single folder. So for that you just have to go to the preferences and go to the synchronization, then select the sync, and then instead of select all, just select a particular folder, hit OK. So that's it in this video about how to install and configure Dropbox in a Linux distribution. And for RPM package, you can check out the link in the description that will take you to the linuxstu.com website. There you will find a complete guide on how to install .rpm files in Linux. So that is there. And you will find the direct downloadable link in that article as well for Dropbox. So that's it. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, take care and keep enjoying Linux.